Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see today, I have no makeup on at all because I'm going to mix all of my foundations together and apply them to my face. I've seen tons of YouTubers do this and their makeup literally looks so flawless. I'm so excited to see my skin just transform and just look so good. So I'm really excited to do this one. And if you want to see how my makeup turns out, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so I have about 15 foundations, give or take. And I'm so excited. I feel like that's quite a few foundations, especially for buying them all on my own. So I'm just really excited to get started with this. I'm going to leave every single foundation I use on the screen down below, just in case you're curious. First, I'm going to use my Holy Grail Trustworthy Primer that never lets me down. It is the YSL Touche Éclat Blur Primer. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Alright, let's start mixing now. So I have this little tin bowl and I'm just going to put them all in here. Alright, so now I have them all in here, and some of them are my summer foundations and my kind of self-tanning foundation, so I'm really nervous that this is going to be too dark for me, but we're going to mix this up and we're going to see what happens. I just have a plastic knife here. Alright, the color's not bad. This is what it looks like. So let's see how it looks on the face. I'm really crossing my fingers and hoping this looks good. Right, so I have all my foundations mixed up and I'm really excited to apply this to the face and see what color it is. We're just gonna use the knife again. We're just gonna be risky here. I'm really nervous. I hope this looks as good as everyone else's did. Okay. It's not going on with like too much coverage. It's very light. It is a little bit too dark for my face, I'd say, but I'm gonna fix it up with concealer later. But I don't know, I think this is looking really good. I mean, you could see before I filmed the video, I had a couple pimples on my chin and my forehead and like a lot of redness, and it definitely covered that up. I'm sorry, I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I'm just using my viewfinder right now to kind of blend this out. So I'm hoping it's as blended as I'd like it to be. Wait, guys, I'm loving this. This is looking so good. And I feel like I look a little dewy too, which I love because I personally have super dry skin, so I need something dewy. Alright guys, so I'm going to finish up my makeup really quick and I'll come back with the final result and maybe even do a couple check-ins today since I do have some plans, and we can see how this wears throughout the day. Hopefully it looks as good as it does right now. Alright guys, so I finished doing my makeup and honestly, like, my skin has never looked so good, and it actually dried matte, just to let you know. I know I said it was dewy before, but it definitely dried matte. But my skin looks flawless. It literally looks perfect. So I'm gonna go out and run some errands and do some stuff. And I will be back later on to show you how it wore throughout the day. I'll probably do something super late so you can really see the wear time of it. But so far, so good. So I'll just zoom you guys in right now. Alright guys, so this is the only check-in I'm going to do, but it's been about 7 hours. It is almost 7 o'clock, and honestly, my foundation has stayed in place all day. It looks so good, and honestly, it hasn't broken up anywhere. The foundation was matte, so I was really nervous it was going to break up because I normally break up a little bit like around my nose and my chin and stuff. But honestly, it looks so good, and I wish I could do this every day because I definitely would, but that would just take so much time up. But that's the end of my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I was really excited to try this because I've seen so many amazing YouTubers do this and their makeup looked so good. So I'm really glad with the results, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.
Yeah.